Hi, welcome back. So we are at the last outline before we discuss a case study, and that is to quickly revisit the concept of third-party libraries. So basically, we have so far discovered the idea of object-oriented in chapter 1, and then in this chapter, we looked in depth the concept of objects from understanding the creation of a class, its attributes, methods, etc. And we looked at the modules and packages. Now there is modules, packages, and then there is also a so-called library, which contain a number of packages anyway. But the point here in this particular quick outline, I just wanted to tell you that sometimes you might actually utilize existing libraries or packages or even modules to execute certain tasks that you don't need to reinvent the wheel and write a code your own. However, sometimes you might encounter some issues that you need to customize those libraries, or perhaps you need to create an interface on top of that, or you need to script them, or you even might not find anything match and you have to write everything on your own. That sometimes you might learn how to write your own library. And this is one of the things that we are trying to focus on here. Using other people's library, we have seen the example. So in general, this kind of a framework and structure must be very clear to you that either utilizing other people's library, customizing them, or create your own. In any way, the structure of your program or the software, the solution designing must have this standard of object-oriented conceptual understanding from analysis to design, and finally, to convert that into code. Now it's the time to move to the case study that we're gonna try to actually encapsulate and put everything all together. That's exactly what we're gonna be doing next. I will see you then.